We're all carrying around smartphones nowadays, and they can do so much, but what are some things that our phones can do to improve our overall health?
Oh, there's just some really awesome products out there. Recently, they've been advertising an app on your phone where you can do your own electrocardiogram, EKG. Yeah, so you'll know. And this is especially important for AFib patients, atrial fibrillation patients can take that and they know that they're in AFib and they have to contact their doctor because that could be an emergency situation. You can track your blood sugar, your activity levels, all kinds of things that can be done through apps on your smartphones these days. So
and it seems like there's something new all the time.
Every day,
always coming out.
Right.
Previously we did a show on wearable technology like watches and things. What are some of the products available to help medically that a person can purchase that's a wearable technology?
Right. There's the Apple Watch Series 3. You can leave your phone behind altogether. It streams music. It'll take your calls, track your runs and heart rate. Can track your swimming workouts and all kinds of things. It can do. It's an amazing app. And then there's Samsung has the Gear S3. It works with the iPhone as well, and it can track all of your health metrics. It comes in different versions: sports version, fashion version. Some are waterproof. To go swimming with them. So then there's Motiv Ring. This is an actual ring that you wear right on your finger, just like your wedding band, and it's only 0.1 inches thick, and it's waterproof, and it tracks your sleep patterns, heart rate, fitness activity. It's pretty new, so I'm not a big one for buying technology when it first comes out, but sometimes that's not done yet.
And I had talked to my wife, about different wearable technology. She has a Fitbit watch that, she just kind of has to have, essentially.
Right.
But the Ring one, that always kind of interests me, and I mean, my wedding band is fairly bigger than most, and I'm thinking 0.1 inches thick. That's probably thinner than what I wear.
It's amazing how small they
can pack all that stuff into it.
Right. It is amazing.